Good morning, sir and madam. Normally, when you during sonography, you take so many measurements like kidney, liver, gallbladder, uterus, ovaries, etc. And in case of obstetric patient, HCAC, BPD, etc., and all other fetal measurement. So currently, most of the radiologist either dictates and typist types into the report, or they take a printout on a glossy color paper, and from that printout typist reads and types into the report. So this is a manual procedure. So pcare basically automates this procedure. For example, I am selecting this Kinnari R Patel. I am clicking on the print images, so now it shows the images of this patient. Okay, so basically what pcare does, it reads all this measurement from all of the images and it writes into the report at the correct location automatically. For example, this image number 1, it has no measurement in it, so on the right hand side it you can see it has not read anything. Now image number 2, radiologist has measured BPD, HC, OFD and CI. So all four are read here: 91, 119, 331.4 and 76.8. Okay, now image number 3, FHR is 154 BPM, so that is also read here, FHR 154 beats per minute. Image number 4, FL 73.3, 37 week 4 days. So FL 37.73.3, 37 week 4 days. Image number 5, no measurement taken and no annotation, so it's empty here. Image number 6, doctor has written cephalic spine right lateral and placenta posterior grade 3. So even that also software has read cephalic spine right lateral and placenta posterior grade 3. Image number 7, EFW1 3151 gram, EFW2 3172 gram and AC 330.6 and 37 week 0 days. So that also everything has read 3151 gram, 3172 gram, 330.6 and 37 week 0 days. Image number 8, AFI 160.6 and then Q1, Q2, Q3, Q4. So that also everything it has read automatically. Now image number 9 has this table, so it has even read everything from this table also: LMP, clinical MA, USMA, headlog, BPD, etc. I mean the okay. So now when you want to create the report for this particular patient, you just have to go here, just select obstetric here, and I am choosing the routine normal template. I am deleting the old report. Okay, and so for whatever, if report is not created, it will show you it in a red background like this. So now when you want to just create the report, you have to just select the template obstetric from here and the routine normal template, and I am choosing Dr. Purva Patil. Okay, and I am clicking on the create report button. Okay, and you can see that report is being created. Okay, and here is the report which came automatically. So let me show you from the beginning. So patient name Kinnari R Patel, Dr. Ankita Malik. Okay, date, LMP, gestation age by LMP, EDD by LMP, and if you remember on the image it was written that cephalic spine right lateral, so even that has came here automatically, and the placenta posterior grade 3, that has come automatically. Let me show it to you in the image again. So here the cephalic spine right lateral and placenta posterior grade 3 was there, so it has come here in the report automatically, and it has entire fetal medicine module also, so it shows the fetal percentile graphs also. We are displaying piece, you have two options to choose: either you can show this kind of single line percentile growth graphs, or you can show bigger graphs like this also. Okay, so this is fully customizable. So you can see here that all the measurement has came automatically: 92, 331, 331, 73, corresponding weeks and days also, FL by AC, FL by BPD, etc. Fetal weight 3172 gram, heart rate 154 beats per minute, EDD, and even the average gestation age also it has written automatically into the report. Okay, and this is a normal word only. So if you want to write any abnormality, you can type here. Okay, so it's very easy to type and enter the abnormalities also. And in at the bottom it shows the percentile growth history also for let's say for a obstetric patient, sonography has been done 3 times at 18 weeks, then 23 weeks, and then 37 weeks. Then it will uh, show you the growth history charts like this into the report automatically, so that it becomes very easier for the gynecologist to uh, see the growth is happening properly or no. Okay, so this is an one example of an obstetric case. Okay, so now let me take an example of an abdomen case. I'm selecting you can search the patient from here with the patient name or mobile number. Selecting the Rashti Joshi patient with 12 images and clicking on the print images button. So now here I am choosing one by one layout. Okay, and you can see in the image number 1 no measurement and no annotation, so it's empty here. Image number 2, doctor has written uterus and the LMP here 2619 and 3 dimensions of the uterus, and fourth one 7.7 is endometrium. So everything has software has read here automatically: uterus, LMP, 3 dimensions, and the fourth one uterus. Okay, now image number 3, right ovary and left ovary, and 31, 13, 33, 12. So you can see here right ovary, left ovary, 31, 13, 33, 12. Okay, image number 4, pancreas and spleen. So even that it has read spleen and pancreas. Image number 5, left kidney, 100.1, 56, 45.6, 100.1, 45.6, 56.3. Okay, image number 6, right kidney and gallbladder, but no measurements, so only gallbladder and right kidney. Image number 7, right kidney, 89.0, 32.9, 30.3, 89.0, 30.3, 32.9. Okay, and image number 8, no measurement taken. So similarly it will read everything from all of the images. Okay, now if you want to create the report, no, you basically just have to select the ultrasonography and abdomen and pelvis female normal template. Okay, and I'm clicking on the create report button, and you can see that report has come automatically, including the patient name, referring doctor name, date and age, and here the 3 measurements of right kidney, 3 measurements of left kidney. Okay, doctor has not measured the liver or spleen or the prevoid and postvoid, otherwise that would also come into the report automatically. And here you can see the LMP has come automatically, 3 dimension of uterus and the endometrium 7.7, right ovary measurement and the left ovary measurement. All the measurements whatever taken on the images has come into the report automatically. Okay, so basically now let's say if you want to write something about the liver, some abnormality related to the liver, then you can take your cursor to the liver. Okay, and from this right hand side, this software we have made, I mean you can simply select liver organ here, and then it will show you all the abnormality related to that. So if I click on point number 6, then that line will come automatically here, that line or paragraph, I mean that no vascularity noted in color Doppler and power Doppler study. Okay, and similarly let's say if you want to write something about the kidney, then you can take your cursor to the kidney. I am selecting the kidney organ and I am selecting point number 5. Few tiny foci areas of calcification are seen in both kidneys. Okay, so that line has came here automatically, no need to type the entire statements again. Okay, so now let's say if you want to show the kidney stone with a KUB image or a hydronephrosis, then you can just click on this images section, select the KUB image, and that even that KUB image will come into the report, and then you can take printout of this report, and with pen or pencil you can mark the position of a kidney stone either in upper, middle or lower calyx or on ureter with a pen or pencil. so that your reports will look much better and easier to understand for patients and the GP and the surgeons. Similarly, you can have thyroid image, you can have carotid image, and you can add your own images also. So your reports will look really good and explanatory. Okay, so this is an automated reporting part. Okay, let's say during sonography, if you have forgot to add some measurement, then PCare software allows you to add annotation later on also. Okay, so for example, I am clicking on the print images of this page. Now let me show you an example of an uh, offline annotation and ruler measurement. For example, if you have forgot to add any annotations or measurements on the sonography machine, you can add the measurement from here also. I am ticking on this ruler checkbox, and if I select these 2 points, let's say this and this, then you can see that it has measured OFD 119.82. Okay, and actual, you can compare it with the actual measurement, it is exactly the almost the same, because just little bit different because I have clipped little bit away. So similarly, you can take whatever measurement you like. For example, I am adding 2-3 more measurements. Okay, and you can even add annotation also. You just select the label checkbox here, and you can simply drag drop the annotation here. For example, left kidney or spleen or pivot or whichever you like. For example, here, let's say if I am writing left kidney. Okay, and then if you want to print this on the image, no, if I click on the preview, that will also come into the image. See, we had made a measure, added this pivot, left kidney and spleen, and this left kidney. Okay, so this offline measurement can save your lot of time. Basically, you can ask your typist to add the annotations and labels for you and even take the measurements. Okay.